Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm YL from Titan Vehicle, or you can also call me Hermes, and today we're diving into a topic that's absolutely critical to the global supply chain: fuel transportation. Now, you might not think about it often, but fuel tankers are everywhere. From busy city gas stations to remote construction sites, mining operations, and oil fields, whenever there's a need for energy, there's a need for fuel delivery. And behind every reliable delivery, a solid, safe, high-performance fuel tanker semi-trailer. Before we get deeper into it, if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, save this video, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next releases. We share real insights, real machines, and real industry knowledge, straight from the field. As global demand grows, fuel transport becomes more challenging. Longer routes, tougher road conditions, and stricter safety standards. That's why it's no longer enough to just have a tank on wheels. You need durability, capacity, and proven safety, built into every detail. And that's where Titan Vehicle comes in. With over 20 years of manufacturing experience and exports to more than 60 countries, Titan has built a reputation for quality and reliability. Our tankers are trusted by professionals across Latin America, Africa, and the Middle East because they perform and they last. In this video, we're going to take a close look at some of our most popular fuel tanker trailers. I'll walk you through the structure, the features, the advantages, and help you see why so many clients choose Titan again and again. So if you're in the market for a tanker, or just curious about what makes a truly high-quality one, stick around. Let's take a closer look at how Titan is redefining fuel transportation. Right now, you're seeing one of our star products, the Titan 3-axle 45,000-liter fuel oil tanker trailer. It's a popular choice among our global clients for its stable performance, large capacity, and reliable design. Let's take a closer look. At Titan, we know that fuel transport isn't one size fits all. That's why we offer a wide range of fuel tanker trailers to meet the needs of different markets, routes, and regulations. We build tankers in capacities from 30,000 to 72,000 liters for standard models, with options for single, double, or multiple compartments, perfect for delivering different types of fuel in one trip. Whether you're transporting diesel, gasoline, kerosene, or jet fuel, you'll find a Titan model that fits your operation. In terms of materials, you can choose from carbon steel, stainless steel, or aluminum alloy, each designed for specific fuels and regional safety standards. We also provide both American-style and African-style configurations to suit your market. And most importantly, we customize everything, from manholes to discharge valves, ladder positions, hose storage, axle configurations, to even your company logo and color scheme. You tell us what you need, and we make it happen. Titan doesn't just sell trailers, we deliver solutions. And with over 20 years of manufacturing experience and a dedicated technical team, we help our clients build the right trailer for their roads, their fuels, and their business. So whether you're in logistics, mining, energy, or retail fuel distribution, Titan has the flexibility, capacity, and expertise to support your operation from day one. Right now, you're seeing details of our Titan acid tanker trailer, specially designed for transporting highly corrosive liquids like sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid. For this kind of sensitive cargo, quality isn't optional, it's essential. That's why we equip every acid tanker with top-grade imported components, including our heavy-duty suspension system, acid-resistant valves, and high-performance air brakes. Every fitting, every joint, every valve is chosen for maximum safety, durability, and chemical resistance. Because when you're transporting dangerous liquids, there's no room for compromise. We started over 20 years ago with a clear mission: to create trailers that are stronger, safer, and smarter for global transportation. Since then, we've grown into a trusted name in the industry, with 11 years of export experience and customers in over 60 countries worldwide, from Latin America to Africa, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Our production base covers more than 100,000 square meters, equipped with modern manufacturing lines, a skilled engineering team, and strict quality control systems that meet international standards. At Titan, we don't just sell trailers, we build long-term partnerships. That's why our clients trust us, because we deliver real value, real durability, and real support every single time. What you're seeing now is our Titan 38,000-liter petrol tanker trailer, a compact but highly efficient model, perfect for urban fuel delivery and mid-range transport. Its size offers great maneuverability, especially in tight spaces, while still carrying a large enough volume to keep operations efficient. This model is especially favored in regions like Mexico and West Africa, where both flexibility and reliability are key. If you've noticed, not only this trailer, but also the previous ones we've shown, are all part of a large delivery batch. We have dozens of trailers lined up, ready for shipping. These aren't just for display, they are real customer orders, produced and ready to go. A big thank you to our clients from around the world who continue to choose Titan and trust our team. Your support drives us to build better every single day. At Titan, we don't take that trust for granted. Every trailer we produce carries our commitment to quality, to safety, and to constant improvement. We're not just building trailers, we're helping move the world forward. When it comes to fuel transport, structure isn't just important, it's mission critical. At Titan, we don't cut corners. Our fuel tanker trailers are carefully designed and manufactured to meet real-world challenges, whether it's extreme road conditions, long-distance delivery, or sensitive cargo. Let's talk about the tank body first. We use integrated welding techniques to ensure a seamless and solid construction. That means fewer weak points, less risk of leakage, and a longer service life, especially important when you're hauling flammable liquids. The shape of the tank is also intentional. It's curved and reinforced in a way that helps maintain liquid stability during movement. This reduces sloshing inside the tank, which is a big factor in improving vehicle handling and safety, particularly when braking or turning at speed. Inside the tank, we install anti-wave plates, or baffles, strategically positioned to slow down the movement of fuel. You may not see them in the video, but these internal reinforcements play a huge role in reducing the impact of sudden stops, helping the driver stay in control, and reducing strain on the chassis and brakes. Speaking of safety, all of our tankers are equipped with multiple pressure relief valves, emergency shutoff systems, and sealed discharge lines. Each component is carefully selected based on the type of fuel and local safety standards, because transporting volatile liquids leaves no room for error. We also pay close attention to chassis strength and balance. Titan fuel tankers are built with a low center of gravity, which enhances road grip and reduces rollover risk. The suspension system, whether mechanical or air suspension, is imported and reinforced for high load endurance and stability, even over rough or uneven surfaces. Tires, axles, braking systems, each part is matched for reliability and long-term use. We partner with top-tier brands to ensure that even the smallest component meets high-performance standards. This includes WABCO braking systems, Jost landing gear, and world-class valve and hose sets. But structure isn't just about strength, it's also about practicality. Titan trailers are designed with the operator in mind. Manholes, access ladders, anti-slip walkways, and clearly marked control panels make daily operations easier and safer. Even things like hose compartments and discharge pipe layout are optimized to save time during loading and unloading. The goal is simple: to reduce downtime, improve workflow, and deliver fuel faster and safer. Whether you're working in the fuel logistics business, gas station supply, or government fleet management, Titan's structural design gives you peace of mind on every trip. We've delivered thousands of fuel tankers across Latin America, Africa, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, and every unit carries the same DNA: strength, reliability, and smart engineering. That's the Titan way. So, what if you're interested in purchasing a Titan fuel tanker trailer? What does the process look like? Let me walk you through it step by step. It all starts with understanding your needs. We don't believe in one size fits all. So the first step is a conversation about what kind of fuel you're transporting, what road conditions you face, what capacity you need, and any local regulations we should consider. Once we have the details, our team helps you select or design the right model. We'll guide you through key decisions like the number of compartments, material selection, carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, axle configuration, suspension type, valve systems, and more. If you need something unique, we offer fully customized trailers. We can adjust tank shape, layout, discharge systems, hose storage, paint color, branding. Even your company logo can be added to the trailer body. After that, we send you technical drawings and full specifications for confirmation. You'll have the chance to review every key detail before we go into production. We only start building once you're 100% satisfied with the design. Then comes manufacturing. Our factory follows a strict quality management process. From welding and assembly to paintwork, pressure testing, and final inspection. Every step is tracked and recorded. Once your trailer is ready, we handle export documentation, packaging, and delivery to the nearest port or your specified destination. We can also assist with customs clearance if needed. And even after delivery, we're here for you. We offer technical support, parts supply, and ongoing service, because a sale is just the beginning of our partnership. And if you're watching this and thinking about buying or asking for a quote, it's easy to reach out. You can contact me directly. My email and WhatsApp are listed on the channel's homepage. Just send a message and I'll arrange for our professional sales team to follow up with you personally. At Titan, we're not just selling trailers. We're building long-term relationships. So if you're ready, we're here to help. Now on screen is our Titan 50,000-liter tanker trailer, a versatile model used for transporting both fuel and liquid food products like milk or edible oil, depending on the configuration. This trailer offers 50 cubic meters of capacity, ideal for long-distance logistics with maximum payload efficiency. It's equipped with sanitary-grade valves and custom compartment options, making it suitable for food-grade or fuel-grade transport alike. A powerful solution for large-volume transport, trusted by logistics companies across Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. And this is our 35,000-liter stainless steel fuel tanker trailer, built for the safe and stable transport of refined fuels and light chemicals. The stainless steel tank offers strong corrosion resistance, making it ideal for regions with high humidity, coastal roads, or chemical-grade operations. It features multiple compartments, high-quality sealing valves, and a clean internal finish to reduce contamination risk. Reliable in performance and easy to clean, this model meets the demands of both fuel distributors and chemical haulers with high hygiene standards. Before any Titan trailer is delivered, it goes through a full round of final testing and inspection. Each unit is checked for leakage, pressure resistance, brake performance, lighting systems, and overall build quality. Only after passing these tests, the trailer is cleared for shipment. Once testing is complete, we begin the protection process to prepare it for long-distance transport. One of the most important steps is wax coating. We apply a thick industrial wax layer to exposed metal components, like landing gear, axles, bolt areas, and connecting parts. This prevents oxidation and rust caused by moisture and salt air during overseas shipping. Next comes packaging. We wrap key components in waterproof plastic and rainproof tarpaulin, including the manholes, discharge valves, ladders, and pipelines. This keeps the trailer clean and dry throughout the journey, and also adds a basic level of protection from minor impacts during loading and unloading. For trailers shipped via bulk vessel or roll-on roll-off, we also add extra padding and reinforcement to minimize vibration and transport damage. Every detail is handled carefully, from the smallest valve to the chassis frame. Finally, our team verifies your order before loading, checking the model, color, logo, accessories, and documentation to ensure you receive exactly what you asked for. At Titan, product quality doesn't stop at the factory gate. We make sure every trailer is tested, protected, and delivered with the same care it was built with. So, why choose Titan fuel tankers? Because when it comes to fuel transport, you need more than just a trailer. You need a reliable partner who understands the challenges of your business and delivers solutions that truly perform. At Titan, our philosophy is simple. Quality first, service always. We focus on building trailers that are strong, safe, and smart, but we also focus on building trust. From your first inquiry to after-sales support, our team is here to make sure you get exactly what you need and that your trailer performs well, not just on day one, but for years to come. We've had the privilege of working with thousands of clients around the world, and every successful delivery, every repeat order, is a reminder that we're doing it right. If you're considering purchasing a fuel tanker, or if you just want to learn more about our products and services, feel free to reach out. You can find my email and WhatsApp right here on the channel's homepage, and I'd be happy to connect you with our professional team. I hope this video gave you a clear overview of what Titan can offer, and maybe even inspired a bit more confidence in your next purchase. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and remember, Titan isn't just a trailer manufacturer. We're your long-term transport partner. I am YL, and see you in the next video.